celebrating the partnership between Coastal Bend College and Del Mar College in our transportation training program. So this is a new program that we're bringing here to Pleasanton, Texas, which is one of our Coastal Bend College sites.
The partnership combines the history of Del Mar College's trucking CDL program, which has been in effect for the last 18, 19 years, and the opportunity here in Atascosa and the surrounding counties to train truck drivers.